Hello guys, you're welcome to another 3D moment, and today I decided to make a 3D design of the YAPPI logo, and it's a platform that we learn 3D animations on. Thanks to them, I've learned a lot about 3D animation. I wouldn't have picked the interest, I wouldn't have persisted, I wouldn't have stayed organized the way I've done, and I wouldn't have come this far. I know I've learned a lot on YouTube though, but thanks to them, I organized my learning. So I did this, and I want you to really enjoy watching this. All right. So I also did this. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any question about what we just did, or what I just did rather, please feel free to ask, and I'll be more than willing to explain and put you through. For any of those watching, if you have any 3D logo you want to make, you want to make a 3D logo, you want to make an animated logo for your business, I would be your go-to guy. Just DM me and we pick it up from there. All right. Thank you very much for watching, and have a beautiful day.